Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. If you're passionate about cameras, gear, and all things photography, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the latest buzz surrounding the highly anticipated OM System OM5 Mark II. From leaked specs to industry insights, we're breaking it all down to help you decide if this next-gen camera lives up to the hype. So, hit that subscribe button, grab your favorite lens, and let's explore what the OM5 Mark II has in store. OM5 Mark II. A game-changer in photography. The OM System OM5 Mark II has become a hot topic among photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. As the successor to the original OM5, this new model is expected to bring several exciting upgrades while maintaining the strengths of its predecessor. Let's dive into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding this eagerly awaited camera. Design enhancements. Compact yet rugged. Leaked images suggest that the OM5 Mark II will retain the signature retro-inspired design of the original but with subtle refinements. The body is rumored to be even more compact, making it an excellent choice for photographers who prioritize portability. Improved weather sealing is also expected, ensuring the camera can withstand harsh environments. Perfect for adventure and outdoor photography. Advanced sensor and image quality. One of the most talked about upgrades is the introduction of a cutting-edge sensor. Rumors hint at a 20-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor with enhanced low-light performance and dynamic range. This significant improvement could allow photographers to capture cleaner, more detailed images in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, advanced computational photography features such as improved HDR, focus stacking, and AI-driven enhancements could elevate image quality to new heights. Enhanced autofocus system. Precision redefined. The autofocus system is anticipated to receive a major overhaul, with reports suggesting the inclusion of AI-powered subject detection. This technology could enable accurate tracking of a broader range of subjects, including wildlife, vehicles, and fast-moving objects like birds in flight. These improvements would position the OM5 Mark II as a strong contender for sports and wildlife photographers seeking precision and speed. Video capabilities. A cinematic powerhouse. For hybrid shooters, the OM5 Mark II is expected to offer impressive video capabilities. Leaks indicate support for 4K recording at 60 frames per second, along with 10-bit color depth for richer, more vibrant footage. Enhanced in-body stabilization is also rumored, allowing for smoother handheld shooting. Additional features like log profiles and improved heat management could make this camera a go-to choice for vloggers and content creators. Connectivity and smart features. The OM5 Mark II is rumored to include a suite of connectivity upgrades, such as USB-C for faster charging and data transfer. Enhanced Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functionality could enable seamless sharing and remote control through a companion app. Some leaks suggest the introduction of AI-powered editing tools directly within the app, streamlining workflows for photographers on the go. Battery life and usability. A key improvement could come in the form of better energy efficiency, leading to extended battery life, a crucial factor for photographers working in the field. Ergonomic tweaks to the grip and button layout are also expected, enhancing overall usability. Additionally, a larger, higher-resolution electronic viewfinder and a vari-angle touchscreen are rumored to provide a more intuitive shooting experience. Pricing and availability. Speculations place the price of the OM5 Mark II in the range of $1,400 to $1,600 for the body-only configuration. This pricing strategy aims to make the camera accessible to enthusiasts while delivering advanced features typically found in higher-end models. The anticipated release date is mid-2025, although availability may vary by region due to production and distribution timelines. Is the OM5 Mark II worth the hype? With rumored enhancements in design, sensor technology, autofocus, and video capabilities, the OM5 Mark II appears to be a solid upgrade for both amateur and professional photographers. Whether you're into travel, landscape, wildlife, or vlogging, this camera could offer the versatility you need to elevate your creative pursuits. Of course, while leaks and rumors provide exciting insights, the official announcement will ultimately confirm what the OM5 Mark II brings to the table. Until then, anticipation continues to build within the photography community. Final thoughts. Thanks for tuning in to Techno Trend Zone, your go-to spot for the latest camera news, reviews, and more. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the OM5 Mark II rumors, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more exciting updates. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss our in-depth analysis and reviews as soon as they drop. Do you have any thoughts or predictions about the OM5 Mark II? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're expecting from this highly anticipated camera. Until next time, keep your lenses clean, your focus sharp, and your creativity limitless. Stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for more updates. Happy shooting!